Welcome to this 3-bedroom detached cottage set here in the townland of Cloverhill in Bunratty, situated right onto the Sixmilebridge road here, approximately 5 minutes drive from Sixmilebridge, Shannon town centre, or indeed into Bunratty. Ennis town centre and Limerick city centre are both within 15 minutes drive, making this a fantastic location here for ease of access, with linking directly onto the M18 motorway here within literally minutes drive. We are fronting onto the main roadway heading into Sixmilebridge here, as mentioned, with our off-street private parking here just leading to the side and the rear of the property. So full refurbishment and modernisation here is required to the property, but there is potential then to attain your grants towards the modernisation and the renovation here of the property. So just coming on here then to the side and rear of the property, as you can see, an extension here was built onto the original cottage, which entailed the kitchen here in the property. So the accommodation would have comprised 3 bedrooms, your entrance hallway, bathroom, living room area, and then the kitchen here on the extension. Connections are available just to private sewage septic tank here on site, and connections in just to water and electricity, which all as it were in place. That's at the rear of the site here, fantastic space here and potential, so potential to extend the property again, and a number of sheds located here just directly here onto the initial part of the rear, as you can see, leading all the way down then into fantastic large garden space here with an abundance then of mature trees. So coming straight down here on towards the rear of the garden. So the site continuing all the way on here towards the tall trees here just to the rear, so fantastic space here and potential here just on the property.